Hey, I'm Aaron, and this is the first home I've ever purchased in my entire life. It happens to be in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was the loving home of the same Argentine family, 3 generations for 100 years. But when the last member of that family died during the pandemic, it got abandoned. And it's been sitting abandoned for the last 4 or 5 years. You can see behind me Jurassic Park growing in the garden. In any moment, a velociraptor could come out of that huge bush behind me, huge tropical plant. But I swoop in, fall in love with this place, and I buy it with pretty much every cent I own in a crazy process, all cash. You've never bought a house until you bought a house in Argentina. It's just bonkers. And I want to fix it up here with you. The fun part is I know nothing about this at all. I've never fixed up a house in my life. I'm 44 as I sit here, and I've got a lot to learn.
I don't think I can do it anymore. No. Yeah.
The great thing about this house, which is also the creepy thing about this house, is that they left everything. They left every piece of furniture. They left wedding photos. They left clothing. So it's kind of a time capsule of an Argentine way of living that is very quickly disappearing, even here in Buenos Aires. I love history, I love stories, so I want to go through all that with you room by room as we fix this place up. So hopefully we learn about the history of Argentine architecture. This is a very traditional house. Hopefully learn about a little bit, try to peel back the curtains on the history of this family that lived here for almost 100 years. I'm super excited to share this journey with you, and hope you like and subscribe and all that fun stuff. And I'll see you on the flip side with some mate, for sure, always.